What'd you run the first time?
80. Better than it ought to be.
Yeah. You were out here that time I ran the GX versus Matt's Land Cruiser, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. That's part of why I was like, no, this is fine.
Yeah. Do the thing, man. Have fun.
So we're doing a rolling start today, which we don't usually do. So we're going to go about 2 miles an hour until we hit that line. But usually it's going to be a dead stop.
Okay. Did you lower your tire pressure on this?
On this, I'm just running stock. I don't take it too serious. On my regular car, yeah, I drop tire pressures down in like 18 to 25, depending on front or rear.
Gotcha.
So I've got way too much power and not enough grip.
That V8
But
torque.
I do have power. Oh yeah, it's totally different to drive.
That steering wheel. God damn.
Got a saw on this old girl. She's big, man. Ooh, 79.2. Shave the second. That's better than my last one.
That's not bad.
That's competitive in my class, believe it or not.
Hell yeah.
Even though it has no reason to be. Oh, that was so fun.
You working that steering wheel though.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Was that fun?
That
you
was
enjoy
fun.
it? Heck
that
yeah,
was
man.
Fun.